Okay, so let's explore a future where we all have flying cars. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this future where we're all driving flying cars, what would happen?
Well, one of the things that I think would happen is more accidents in the air.
Okay, valid. And what comes next?
Well, there would be more car parts falling down from the sky.
Yes. Yep. And what does that mean?
Maybe there would be new kinds of insurance for houses and property.
Definitely makes sense. And what else could happen?
Well, you would have less visual of nature because cars would be blocking that visual.
Okay. What does that mean? What does that look like?
Well, one thing, and it would have a big impact on humans' mental health.
Need to be in touch with nature, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
And that could lead to some kind of disruption in our relationship with the universe.
And when you say disruption, what else does that make you think of?
Well, uh, I'm thinking of like planes in the sky and now cars in the sky, and planes hit birds, so cars would be hitting birds. So there would be a decrease in bird population because there'd be more dead birds.
And then what?
And that would disrupt our animal ecosystem and food and have just catastrophic seismic events that I don't even want to think about.
Wow. Talk about the butterfly effect, the bird effect, right?
Yeah.
So what else could happen?
Well, there would be less roads and less parking on the ground.
That doesn't necessarily sound like a bad thing. What might happen because of that?
And people would be up in the sky more. So maybe in time, over a few generations, the fear of heights would disappear,
What an interesting concept. And then what?
and which makes me think that different fears would emerge.
I can understand that. New fears unlocked.
Yes. So that probably means different research would be happening on those new fears. So whole different fields and psychology and degrees and all of that.
This future is getting clearer by the minute. What else might happen?
Well, there would also be people falling from cars because people are people. And so you just see them dropping out of their cars in the sky.
So now I have a new fear of someone falling on me. Great.
Hello, new fear unlocked. Well, people are falling from their cars, they would need parachutes for safety. So you'd have an increase in parachutes, which probably means someone's need to be making those parachutes. So a whole new safety product line invented and booming because everyone driving a flying car would have to wear a parachute just in case.
Black market parachute. Okay.
Yes.
So we think you get the idea, but the point is to yes and to ask, like, no future is too absurd or too crazy. The point is to say, and if that happens, now what? What comes next? And the person who's the scribe, to kind of keep recording how all of these things are related and what leads to what next. And that's the future casting exercise.